Hi guys, we got someone else's robot and we put some dust down. She said her vacuum wasn't picking up pet hair so much. Turns out because this rubber thing wasn't installed all the way. No, not that one, the other one.
This one here, this gasket?
Yep.
Had come up, like, kind of like that. It wasn't seated down all the way.
Yeah, so I'm going to open this up and see what the... Oh.
Ah.
There.
Did that vacuum pick all that up?
What?
That vacuum picked all that up, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I gave it for a test this morning.
Yeah, okay.
So that's how it got all that.
So the Coredy's doing a good job.
Or Coredy, or whatever it's called.
Yep.
Yeah.
I bet the customer will be happy.
Yep. And there is the mess. And we're going to press auto. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. He just went right through the big mess.
2 hours later.
We are back. I'm going to press spot clean on the remote. Alright, it's picking up mess. Vacuum picking up mess. Right, Dad?
Doing a pretty good job.
He's certainly picking up a lot. When he comes back in, he'll get a lot of it.
Maybe that piece of paper.
I think he gets it.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Now I know the viewer can't see a lot already. Wow, it's circling around my camera. Now he's coming back into his circle. So he's going to be done in a second. He picked that big clump up. I don't think I need to wear these gloves. So I empty out the mess again. Alright, grab the remote and stop. Now we'll let him see this mess out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.